Unmute yourself, Aisha.
Ma'am, I forgot to do.
Why? Okay. I'm giving you some question, try them. I'll not tell you, okay? If you are not trying any question, I'm not going to tell you the solution. Try some questions. What was the name of your chapter? What was the name of your chapter, Aisha? Unmute yourself, pay attention and tell me what was the name of your chapter. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the name of your chapter?
Comparing quantities.
Right. When is your exam, Aisha? In December?
Yes, ma'am.
With which chapter? Is this chapter coming in your exam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then also you are not trying. Okay. Convert this in percentage. Try to convert this in percentage. What will you do? What happened? Show me your notebook. What are you doing? Okay, do. Done? Why? Is that 200 by 3, Aisha? 2 multiplied by 100 is what? Unmute yourself and tell me what is 2 multiplied by 100.
200 by 3.
Right. It's 200 by 3. So what will you divide it with? It's already dividing by 3. Right, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Then make this. Where should I write 3?
3 on the left side.
And
100 in the middle.
why 100?
No, 2 in the middle.
Now try to solve it.
Okay, ma'am.
What happens? Show me your notebook.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we cannot divide.
No. Why should I divide?
No, we cannot divide.
Why can't we divide? Can't we write this answer in decimal? What have I asked you to do? You have to divide this number, right? What will you see? First, see the first digit number. What is it? 2. Is 2 divisible by 3?
Yes, ma'am.
How? Does 2 comes in
No,
the
ma'am.
table
No,
of
ma'am.
3? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. When this happens, what do we do? We see the 2 digits numbers, right? Take these first 2 digits number. What is this, Aisha? What is this?
20.
Right, 20. So does 20 comes in the table of 3?
No, ma'am.
So what comes in the table of 3? Before 20 or after 20?
Before 20.
What comes?
15.
What else?
18, 18.
Who tells you the answer?
No, ma'am, 15.
Okay, start revising the table of 3. 3 ones are
3,
start at 3 ones are 3 ones are Aisha. 3 ones are what?
3 ones are 3,
3 twos are
3 twos are 6,
3
3,
3.
3 3 is 9,
Then 3 fours
3
are
3 4s are 12, 3 5
then
is 15,
what else?
3 6 is 18,
And 3 7 is
3 7 is 21.
right. So is 21 helpful for us?
No, ma'am.
Is 18 helpful for us?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I multiply 3 by 6, I'm writing over here what? 6, right? 3 6 are 18. What should I do? I will subtract 20 by 18, 18 from 20, right, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I subtract 18 from 20, what do I get? 20 minus 18 is what?
What, ma'am?
20 minus 18 is what?
20.
Right? 20 minus 18 is what?
20 minus 18 is 2.
Right. 20 minus 18 is 2, right? What should I do? Since I'm left with the 0 over, I'll note it down over here, right? I take the 0 towards downward side, so this also becomes 20, right, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what should I do? Now I'll search for 20, right? So does 20 comes in the table of 3?
No, ma'am.
What comes?
18.
Right. When?
6 times.
So 3 6 are 18, right? Again 20 minus 18, what?
2.
Right, I'm left with 2. Is there anything which can I take downwards? Is there anything left, Aisha?
No, ma'am.
So what should I do?
I'll decimal.
Right, I'll apply one decimal over here, right? Since I have applied one decimal, what will I do? I'll bring 1 0. Because of this decimal, I'll write 1 0 over here. Any confusion, any problem?
No, ma'am.
No? Now what? Again, 3
0.
6 are 18, right? So 20 minus 18 is what again? 2. Right or wrong?
Right, ma'am.
So this is your final answer, 66.6. So what does it come after converting this number to percentage? It is 66.6%.
Okay, ma'am.
Note it down.
Done,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Try to solve another question. Try to convert this into percentage. Try to convert 5 by 2 into percentage. Show me your notebook. Show me your notebook, Aisha.
Okay.
Okay, do. Stuck in division?
No.
Okay. Done? Okay, you are dividing 500 by 2, right, Aisha? So take the first digit. Okay, first divide the first digit by 2. What is your first digit? What is your first digit?
Um, uh, 2 in the left side and 500 in the middle.
Right, you are dividing 500 by 2, right? So I am asking that what is the first digit of the number by which you are dividing with 2? What are you dividing with 2? 500, right or wrong?
Right, ma'am.
So first digit in 500 is what?
5.
Right, 5. Is 5 divisible by 2?
No.
So find any number which comes either before 5 or after 5, which is divisible by 2. What is the number which is before 5 that can be divisible by 2? Or whatever comes in the table of 2 before 5?
4.
Right. And after 5?
What, ma'am?
What comes after in the table of 2?
6. Ma'am?
So among 4 and 6, which one is useful for us?
4.
Right. So what will we do? Write in your right hand
5.
side 2. Right. You are multiplying 2 with 2 and it gives you 4. Subtract 4 from 5 and write in your right hand side 2. Okay. Right. Show me your notebook. Aisha, show me your notebook.
I'm not done.
Do. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Just tell me the answer. Done with the division part or not?
Done, ma'am.
Sure. Tell me the final from your
What, ma'am?
show me your notebook and tell me your final answer. What comes after converting 5 by 2 into percentage? Okay, let's see. Keep your notebook down. 500 by 2, right, Aisha? 502. What have you done? This? Right? Right? Multiply 25 with 2. What comes after multiplying 25 by 2? Tell me the answer for this. What comes after multiplying 25 by 2, Aisha? What is the answer for this?
Ma'am, 1 minute. $50.
50. So how can you tell me that dividing 500 by 2 gives you 25? What will happen with the 0? Take the 0 upwards. 0. The final answer is 250. Is it clear? Improve your division. Just divide this. 25 by 4. Divide it. Just divide it. 25 by 4. What will you see in 25 by 4? What will you do? Where should I write 25? Unmute yourself.
Yes,
Where
ma'am.
should I write 25?
25 on the 25 in the middle.
25 in the middle. Where should I write 4?
Or on the left side.
4 left side. So what am I doing? I am dividing 25 by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. What should I see first? I'll see the first digit number of the number, right or wrong?
Right, ma'am.
So is does 2 comes in the table of 4?
No.
What is the first number which comes in the table of 4?
4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8.
What is the first number that comes in the table of 4? Right. So 2 cannot come in the table of 4, right or wrong?
Right, ma'am.
So what will we do? We'll take both the digits. When first number is not divisible by the dividend, what do? We take the first digit along with the second digit. Since the equation is of 2 digits, what will we do? We are taking the whole number, right? So what comes after dividing 25 by 4, Aisha? Does 25 comes in the table of 4? 25 comes in the table of 4, right? So what will we do? We are taking the whole number, right? So what comes after dividing 25 by 4, Aisha? Does 25 comes in the table of 4? 25 comes in the table of 4, right? So what will we do? We are taking the whole number, right? So what comes after dividing 25 by 4, Aisha? Does 25 comes in the table of 4? You are thinking to divide 25 by 4. 4 is an even number. Is 25 an even number?
No, ma'am.
So how could it come in the table of 4? Yes. What comes in the table of 4 before 25? Start
20,
reading the table of 4. 4 ones are?
24.
What?
4
ones are?
4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 24, 6 are 24.
And 4 sevens are?
28.
Okay, so we'll take 24 or we'll take 28?
24.
When is it coming? 4 sevens are 28. It's the 4 6 are 24, right?
Yes,
So should I write 6 in the right hand side and 24 below 25?
yes, ma'am.
Then write it in your notebook. Write it written.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your notebook. Where? Right. Now what are you left with? You are left with 1, right or wrong? Can 1 comes in the table of 4?
No.
What comes in the table of 4? What should I do when I have a smaller number? What should I do? When 1 is not divisible by 4, how will I divide 1?
By 0.
Okay, I'll apply 0. Why should I apply 0?
Because there is no other number below than 1.
Okay, so I'll write down 0 itself only, or I'll apply something else before noting down 0. Aisha, don't sleep. Yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
How can I note down 0?
By putting a point.
Yes, then put a point. Show me your notebook. You have applied a point after 6, or you have applied 1 after 6? What have you written after 6?
Point.
This is a point. This is a point. This is 1. This is a point. Show. Right. Keep it down. Now, what should I do? I have 10 and I have to divide it with 4. Does 10 comes in the table of 4?
No.
So what comes in the table of 4 before 10?
8.
Okay. When do I multiply? With what I multiply 4 that it gives 8?
2.
Right. Where should I write 2 and where should I write 8?
2 up.
Yes.
And
8?
8 under 10.
Right. Write it down. Written?
No, ma'am.
Write it fast. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Show.
What, ma'am?
Show. Notebook. 6.2, right. Now what should I do? Does 2 comes in the table of 4?
No, ma'am.
Then what should I do? I have already applied 2. Can I note down 1 0 with 2? Can I make that 220?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, let
Ma'am,
me.
what do you say? I could not understand.
You have written this,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Does 2 comes in the table of 4? 2 in the
No.
table of 4?
2 in the table of 4. No, ma'am.
Right. 2 does not comes in the table of 4, right? Can I make this 2 as 20? I have already applied 0. I have already applied point over here. So is it possible for me to apply 1 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So I'll make it 20. Does 20 comes in the table of 4?
Yes, ma'am.
When?
5 times.
Right. Where should I write 5 and where should I write 20?
5 on top and 20 in the bottom.
You write, don't tell me. Write it in your notebook. Show me your notebook now. So what is your final answer?
6.25.
Where will you write it? There only, or you write it somewhere like this? Write it as your final answer. Write it and show me your notebook again. I'm giving you one more question for division. Try to solve it. Show me your notebook first. Show me the notebook, Aisha. If you are done with your answer, show me your notebook. It's not percentage. I have just asked you to divide. It is not percentage. What was the question? You just have to divide these two numbers. Remove your percentage sign from there. Understood how to solve division?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, solve one more question. And you just have to calculate the answer. I am giving it to you just for the division, okay? Just divide these two numbers and tell me the answer.
Okay.
Okay, do. Divide this. 52 and 3. Divide 52 by 3. What is the final answer? Tell me your final answer. Open your video. Switch on your camera. Right, do. Divide 52 by 3. Noted down the question. Aisha, noted down the question. Show me your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Show. Right. Do. What are you thinking? How will you do? Just speak up your answer. What will you see first, Aisha?
What then?
What will you see first? While solving your question,
Six.
what will you see first?
5.
Right. So does 5 comes in the table of 3?
No, ma'am.
Then what comes?
5.
5 comes in the table of 3?
No, ma'am.
Okay, 3 ones are?
3 ones are 3. So
3 twos are?
1 on top and 3 down of 5.
Right. Do. Then what will you do? You wrote 3 and down and 1 up.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what next?
2 down and 5 minus 3 is 2 and beside 5 beside the 5 there's a 2. We have to bring the 2 down. We have
Right.
22.
Right. Now what else will you do?
Put a point.
Does 22 comes in the table of 3? Why are you putting point?
No, man. 22 minus 21.
Right, do. Done or not?
Done, man.
Okay, so you are left with what?
1.
Okay, so does 1 comes in the table of 3?
No, man.
Okay, so what will I do?
Put
Since
a
I have
point.
no number left except 1, what will I do?
Put a point.
Right, put a point. Put it.
Done, man.
Now for this point, what will you do?
0.
Right.
Done.
So it becomes from 1, what does it becomes?
10.
Right. So 10 comes in the table of 3.
No, man.
Then what comes in the table of 3? Start revising the table of 3. 3 ones are?
3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 2. 3.
3 twos are 3.
3 twos are 6. 3
3
twos
ones
are
are?
6.
Right.
3 into 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 3. 4s are 12. 3.
Right. Stop. What were we searching for? We were searching for 10. 9 came, 12 came. What is much more helpful for us? 9 or 12?
9.
Right. So what will you do?
Put 9 beside the point. No, 3.
What?
3.
Huh. And where should I write 9?
Under 10.
Right. 10 minus 9 is what?
70. What now?
10 minus 9. You will do 10
Is
minus
1.
9, no? So
Is
what
1.
does it come?
1.
Right. So the final answer is what?
17.3.
Show me your notebook. Right. Do good. Good. I hope you will not forget it now.
Okay, no.
Okay, not yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Now note down some questions for your homework and do not try to come in the next class without your homework.
Okay.
Okay? I'll not enter you without your homework. Okay? Right. Note down your homework. Exercise 8.1. Complete. You have to complete exercise 8.1 and you have to complete question number 1 of exercise 8.2. Do not try to come in your class without your homework, okay? I will not let you enter. Exercise 8.1 and question number 1 of exercise 8.2. Note it down or not? Show me your notebook. Yes, note it down and then show me your notebook. Right. And what else? Do not come without your homework, okay?
Okay.
First your homework should come and then you will be enter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You may leave. Thank you. Do you want to ask anything, Aisha?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then leave.